What does it mean to be one team? Is gathering together enough to be one team? Or is sharing a purpose the only requisite to be a team? At Korozo, being a team is much more than all that. It means setting common goals and sharing routes transparently with our customers, employees, and shareholders. Being a team means respecting not just each other, but every part of us that makes us who we are. It means empathizing with our customers, who are the most important part of our team, being one step ahead in identifying their needs. It means being ready to ask for and offer help in this team. Frankly, it means removing boundaries for open communication regardless of hierarchy. Being involved in all processes to achieve better results, mastering the finest detail, and asking for support to reach better results. Sharing experiences and being inspired by best practices. Taking steps together to solve problems. At Korozo, being one team means acting together with our customers, employees, and shareholders.